SmartCheck allows automatic testing of pacemaker leads. Automatic sensing and impedance tests will be performed for both atrial and ventricular leads. Threshold testing will be automatic for the ventricular lead, but remains manual for the atrial lead. The tests will be performed according to the programmed rates as shown here. For example, for sensing test, the pacemaker will switch to DDI mode at a lower rate of 30 beats per minute. For pacing threshold, for instance, we will change the rate to 100 beats per minute. It is possible to save the results in the device memory. And it is also possible to automatically print the results of the tests. Using the Review ECG EGM button enables you to look back at the tracings acquired during the tests. After evaluation of the program settings, we can now launch the SmartCheck algorithm by clicking on the yellow play button. The sensing test will now be performed at the programmed rate. After a few sensed beats, the sensed atrial and ventricular amplitudes are shown, together with the lead impedances. Now the ventricular pacing threshold will be automatically estimated. There is a loss of capture at 0.65 volts, so the pacing threshold is 0.80 volts. Atrial threshold testing requires manual verification by moving the caliper to the lowest output with capture, in this case at 1.5 millivolts. We proceed and the data is saved. And we can review the tests by clicking on Review ECG EGM. Here we see that the atrial pacing threshold has been set at 1.5 volts. We thought there was no capture, but actually this was due to an extrasystole. We now realize that the threshold is actually 0.75 volt and maybe even 0.50 volt. It is an extrasystole which is responsible for the AR marker, not loss of capture.